Howdy everybody, Carrie at Palm Harbor Homes here. Gonna walk you through our vintage farmhouse. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 2,000 square foot home. Let's take a quick tour. This is your living room with a electric fireplace, ceramic tile surround, wood and metal shelf there to mount your TV up. Beautiful. You have a tray ceiling with wood beam accents, nice windows. Right off of your living room, you have an attached dining room. You'll see lots of wood and metal accents in this home, guys, as it is decorated in the farmhouse style, which is fantastic. But if it's not your taste, guess what? We can take it out. Okay, let's walk back here to bedrooms number 2 and 3. In this hall, you have a coat closet. You have your second bath. Check it out. Nice big second bath. Tub shower combo there. You have your second bedroom. Oh, here, let me show you the closet because they're good sized in this house. Okay, there you go. Nice closet. Goes all the way back. All the way back. Okay, then at the end of this hallway, you have a linen closet. So you have ample storage in this house, which is something a lot of homes are missing these days. And then you have your third bedroom. So there's that. Okay, this is a big house, guys, so we're going to go a little fast. Right over here, you have your kitchen, which in my opinion is the heart of the home. And this one is big. You have farmhouse sink, very large island with more metal accents, okay? Nice arched window, mosaic tile, and this is all real tile, guys. This isn't plastic. Nice pantry. Here you have the beadboard cabinets, which is awesome. And built-in buffet. And you even have this pop-up charging and USB station. All the little details. This is a fully tape and textured house, guys. So let's go back here to the main bedroom. This is the parents' bedroom. So ceiling fans, transom windows, more accents on the wall here. Let me see if I can get a better shot there because the light's kind of hitting it today. You do have wall sconces there and into, oh, here, check this out. Look at this awesome barn door. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. Then we have here your main closet with built-in drawers and everything. More of that metal accent. Backlit mirrors, 2 sinks, drawers, linen closet, stunning shower, absolutely stunning. Rain head, shower nozzle. This is all real tile, guys. Huge. You have a vanity, stand-up mirror, and a private commode room. Okay. And here we have pretty much, I think, the largest utility room of any house that we have in stock. This is attached to the main bathroom. And you can come in from a hard day and put those clothes in the wash machine and get right in there and get cleaned up. If you got kids, this is a great locker. What we have here is the solution to the morning, I can't find my backpack, I can't find my lunch bag, I can't find my shoes. So there you go. Guys, this is Carrie at Palm Harbor and Bryan. Number's 979-775-7558. Come in, let me help you find the home of your dreams. Let me get you in before the holidays. And this home could be yours. Your tree could be right there in the corner, fireplace, stockings hanging. Let's get you in. Again, Carrie, Palm Harbor, Bryan, 979-775-7558. Wishing you all the best and have a blessed day.